Hello everyone! Welcome to a super quick FlowHunt tutorial. Today, we're going to create the Summarize Input Text template from scratch. First, head over to the My Flows tab and create a new flow. You can name the flow as you wish and add a description. After that, you'll be directed to the Templates page, but since we want to build this flow manually, you can close that tab. Now, you'll be greeted by your canvas. This is where all flows are created. The first step in our flow creation journey is adding the fundamental components: the input, which is the user's query, and the output, which is the chatbot's response to that query. All components between the input and output shape the chatbot's response into the desired output. Let's start by adding our components. First, add the prompt component to give clear purpose and instructions to the chatbot. The prompt will be shown on screen and also in the description below. Next, add the generator component, so it can generate a shortened version of the text according to the prompt we provided. The generator component comes built in with the latest GPT model, but you can also add the LLM component if you need to adjust or change the LLM. You should also add the memory component, so the chatbot is context-aware. And that's it! You can now connect this generator to an output and use your flow. There's a demo video of this chatbot linked in the description below. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to contact us or leave a comment, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and take care.